Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can I have two paysafe card accounts? I'm going to start by giving you a quick answer. Yes, you can have two paysafe card accounts. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. What is a paysafe card? Before we get into the details of having two paysafe card accounts, let's first talk about what a paysafe card is. A paysafe card is a prepaid card that you can use to make online purchases. It's a great way to keep your financial information safe, as you don't have to provide your credit card or bank account information to the merchant. Paysafe cards are available in a variety of denominations, so you can choose the one that's right for you. You can also use paysafe cards to make purchases in a variety of currencies. Why would you want to have two paysafe card accounts? There are a few reasons why you might want to have two paysafe card accounts. To keep your finances organized, if you use paysafe cards for a variety of purposes, such as online shopping, gambling, and travel, it can be helpful to have separate accounts for each purpose. This can help you to keep track of your spending and make sure that you're not overspending in any one area. To get better rewards, some paysafe cards offer rewards programs, such as cashback or airline miles. If you have multiple paysafe card accounts, you can earn more rewards by using them for different purchases. To avoid fraud, if your paysafe card is compromised, it's important to cancel it and get a new one. If you have multiple paysafe card accounts, you can still make purchases while your other card is being replaced. How to get two paysafe card accounts? Getting two paysafe card accounts is easy. You can simply sign up for a new account online or at a local retailer. When you sign up for a new account, you'll need to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You'll also need to choose a PIN for your card. Once you've signed up for a new account, you can order your cards. Your cards will typically arrive within a few days. Things to keep in mind when using two paysafe card accounts. There are a few things to keep in mind when using two paysafe card accounts. Make sure you keep track of your PINs. It's important to keep your PINs in a safe place and not share them with anyone. Be careful when using your cards online. When making online purchases, make sure that you're using a secure website. You should also look for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar to indicate that the website is secure. Monitor your account activity. It's important to monitor your account activity regularly to make sure that there are no unauthorized transactions. If you see any suspicious activity, contact paysafe immediately. Having two paysafe card accounts can be a great way to keep your finances organized and get better rewards. However, it's important to be aware of the risks involved before you sign up for multiple accounts. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.